Hello, everyone. So I just wanted to give you a quick update. I posted the week 2 directions already, but I told you that I would be posting one other document for you to work on near the end of this week, which is today. So I do have that document posted, and I'm going to quickly go over it with you, especially for those that might not be in class when I want to go over it, or you just happen to be absent, or you weren't listening, or something like that. Not saying any of you wouldn't be listening, but I just want to create this video too so that you can go and visit it in case you're confused. So in Schoology, in course materials, week 2, scroll down. At the very bottom, you'll see the measurement practice. Now, to access this, you just click on it, and then you'll click on the link that I have attached. Now you'll be able to open this up, fill it out, and submit it, and it'll be done. It's not like you have to write it out, turn it in the paper copy. For some of you, that's not even a possibility. I think it's easier to keep track of these papers online, so that's what we're going to do. So you're going to click on it, and I'm going to go over it with you really quick so you know what's going on. So the directions, I just want to see how much you already know about measurement in English and metric, and then converting decimals to fractions, or vice versa. So the first one is all questions about measuring using an English ruler. So you can see you're going to give me the fraction, and then you're also going to give me the decimal form for 10 of those problems. Then down here, you're going to give me the decimal form of the metric ruler. So you're going to measure it where the blue line is and insert the answer. Now, the question will be like, well, what if I'm a little bit off? If you're a little bit off, that's fine. It's fine. You can be, well, up here, it's measured down to an eighth of an inch. So you can be, I think it's pretty clear where the line's falling, but if you're going to go down to a 16th, you can be like a 16th of an inch off. If you're just like one measurement mark off, it's fine. Same with the metric form. If you're just one tick off, I won't obviously take off points. And this isn't being graded for accuracy, it's being graded for completion because I want to see how much you know. Then at the bottom, there are 10 questions on converting inches to centimeters. And I give you how many centimeters are in an inch in hopes that you can be able to convert this. Do your best to, let me take that back. I do not want you to Google these answers. I want you to try, and if you can't figure it out, that's fine. Just write that you can't figure it out. Give it your best attempt. I don't want you Googling them and finding the answer, because then it should, then I don't know if you know it or not. The point of this is so that I know how much time I need to spend on each section. So that is what you're doing for this assignment. That's the last part. It's due Sunday. And yeah, we'll go over it. You'll get a grade back. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. Bye.